Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about market research and validation, along with the best practices to conduct these activities. My name is Mark Risk. I'm currently studying mechatronics engineering at Ontario Tech University, and I'm also the founder and CEO of Umbo Technologies Inc., a safety equipment company that develops equipment for emergency responders.
My name is Sanjay Kailai Nathan, and I'm a software engineering student at Ontario Tech University. I am also the founder and CEO of Accessium Technologies. At Accessium, we are building technology-based solutions for people with disabilities. So, what will we be covering? We will focus on your mindset before executing any research and how to distinguish between who your buyers or decision makers are and who your users are, which sometimes might be the same person. We will also explore the different types of customers, validation questions for both the buyers and users, and finally, market research practices.
Before conducting any research, it is important to distinguish between the decision maker and your user in your targeted vertical or target industry. Sometimes they are the same person. The decision maker is more focused on your business structure, price, and the deliverables. The user is more focused on how the product feels, how it works, and if it makes their lives easier or safer. Your validation questions should revolve around these profiles.
There are many different types of customer segments, and it's important to understand the difference between each of them and the value they offer. So, let's break it down. A business-to-consumer transaction, known as B2C, consists of a business selling directly to the customer. For example, a retail clothing store where buyers can shop. A business-to-business transaction, known as B2B, consists of one business selling a product or service to another business. For example, a construction vehicle manufacturer builds their vehicle to sell to construction companies. A business-to-government transaction, known as B2G, involves a business that sells its product or service directly to the government or to government-controlled public sector services. For example, a software company that sells its online learning platform to various school boards.
As mentioned earlier, the decision maker is more focused on your business and the deliverables that you bring to the table. So some common questions that can be asked of the decision maker are as follows. 1. What are the key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, that you focus on when selecting your current solution? Some KPIs can be cost of maintenance, serviceability, and so on. 2. What is your budget for your current solution? 3. How well does your current solution integrate within your staff and their daily activities? Now, your user is the one that truly benefits from the utility of your solution. Therefore, your question should revolve around the user experience. Here are some sample questions you can ask your user. Number 1, what features or functions do your daily tasks demand out of your current solution? Number 2, what is the priority rating you give to each feature or function? A priority rating can be on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 meaning it's not that important to the user, 10 meaning it's vital to the user's daily tasks. This will give you a sense of where to focus on when you're developing your R&D process. Number 3, do you suffer from any inefficiencies from your current solution? If so, in what areas? Some common inefficiencies can be risks to health, time wasted, or money wasted.
To end, let's talk about some good market research practices. First, you need to start with your customer profile and their industry. Who are they and what do they do? Next, you need to narrow your search down to specific verticals to obtain the main key performance indicators or KPIs. For example, the market size, annual growth, number of competitors, key drivers, and so on. Finally, you need to obtain resources for market research such as market intelligence from organizations like Mars, or scholarly articles from library databases, and so on.
In closing, it is imperative that you analyze all the key stakeholders in your vertical. In doing this, your solution will become more tailored to the users and decision makers, therefore improving the strength of your brand. For more information and assistance on how to manage through these uncertain times, please reach out to the Brilliant Catalyst.